when it comes to OnScale, what I imagine always is that the workflow of engineers per se is not really like a constant when we imagine a plot. It's rather like fluctuating behavior over years, over weeks,
That's right.
over time. So
Yeah.
maybe you can talk about that aspect, like actually having something available at your fingertips on the cloud, and how that actually enables engineers whenever they need the cloud, they can use it. If they don't need it, they don't use it. That's really a beautiful thing, I think,
Yeah.
maybe.
That's a really nice thing about being able to run on the cloud and being able to grab the compute hardware that you need on demand. So part of OnScale means on demand and scalable cloud engineering simulation. So the on demand piece means if you're an engineer and you're at that point in your project where you've defined some requirements and some constraints, you're ready to start building some digital prototypes to prove out a theory. That's when you need the cloud simulation power. And then you'll go run a bunch of simulations, you'll get a good design, and you don't need the cloud simulation power for a little while. You go and make a physical prototype and validate your design. And then maybe you see some areas for improvement, so you'll go back and restart that digital prototyping process again. So you're right that the workloads are very spiky throughout the year. They're project based, and I'll also say that when you want the simulation power, you want lots of it. You want as much as you can get because you're always under a time constraint as an engineer. You probably have a boss that's coming in and yelling at you and telling you that we need to get these designs finished. He's under a lot of pressure to get stuff to market fast. So I've never heard an engineer complain about having too much time to get the design work done. It's always the opposite. So that's one great thing about our model is that you basically pay for what you use when you need to use it. And if you need to buy more core hours, it's very easy to just purchase more core hours for a project, and then don't use it when you don't need it.